Welcome to Crash Karma. In this video, you will see some of the wildest crashes captured on camera. Be sure to watch until the end as it gets crazy. This car blindly turned without having the right of way. However, the speeding car was going way too fast. Lady drives with her phone in her hand for a very long period of time, and then throws a toddler tantrum after crashing. She had about an hour to react and still didn't. This driver must have been drunk. They drive straight into a vehicle before continuing into a hydrant. Car loses traction and takes out himself and a truck.
Выходи быстрее, гляну сама. Выходи, блядь. Руку дай, руку дай. Руку дай. Клянусь.
The dude did a front flip into the end zone.
That's pretty awesome.
Smoke trying to hurdle somebody.
It's like Kyren yesterday.
Yeah.
Holy fuck! Oh my god! I just watched some guy die. Literally. Holy shit. Literally, I need to call 911.
Fucking shit.
Second way!
This is why you never overtake on a bend.
Buddy. Oh, she's a woman.
This driver crashed during a high-speed chase with the cops and got arrested on the spot.
Fuck.